Well, since it's Easter weekend, I thought I should show you where the Easter bunnies are born. We got baby bunnies hopping around everywhere in here. They're so cute. These guys are a few weeks old. These babies are about a week younger. Super cute. There's 8 of them in there. Hard to tell, they're all kind of scrunched together. These babies are getting really active. They're about 5 or 6 days older than the little ones. These little ones are a little younger. They're just starting to nibble on some goodies. I put some clover in there for them. So, happy Easter, everyone. Look at that one, looks just like her mama. There's mama and her babies. And there's the other big white beautiful mama and her babies. Yeah, little bunny update. Happy Easter from the Pop-Up Homestead. Enjoy the bunnies, guys. They don't stay little for long.